Hello, and thank you for tuning in to another episode of Fun Cooking with Knox.
Hey guys, today, guess what? I have my very special guest. His name is Kian, and he's my son, and he's going to show us how to make different kinds of coffee. Are you excited? I'm very excited. So Kian, tell me about this machine.
This is a coffee maker.
Okay.
This is the Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista. You can make 3 types of coffee: expresso, cappuccino, and latte. This machine comes with several different components, such as the milk cartridge, which makes the foam too. And then the coffee scooper. So you take the scooper and then you scoop up the coffee, then you pour it into the filter. Then you put the filter up here, and then you press whichever coffee you want. On the left side is the button to turn it on. Once you turn it on, it's gonna look like this. So you gotta wait until it stops blinking and it just turns into a solid color for the coffee that you want. This is the water container. You open it like this and then fill it to the max fill line. Now that they have stopped blinking, we can fill our milk cartridge up to the max fill line with milk. Make sure to put the cover on correctly. So this needs to be on the inside and this needs to be on the outside. And these arrows right here need to be touching each other from here to here. So whenever you put this in, they'll be touching. You can use any kind of coffee grounds you want to, but today we're going to be using Starbucks Espresso Roast. This is the coffee scooper, and we are going to scoop up the coffee grounds and then level it out by shaking it, and then pour it into the filter. And the end of this scooper is used to flatten out the coffee grounds. So to put this in here, you have to be at the right angle. So it's kind of tricky. So yeah, and then you turn it right. There are 2 sizes for this, and today we're going to be using the small size. So for small sizes, there's something on the left that you can push out. And we just pushed it out all the way. Okay, that you can push out, and then you can put your small cup there so that it doesn't splash as much. So whenever you're ready, you can press 1 for small and 2 for large. But today we're going to be using small. And here's our hot and ready espresso. What's convenient about this machine is that there are 2 holes over here so that when it's dripping from the excess coffee, it'll just go down into the cartridge. To take the filter out, you turn it left. There's an inner part to the filter that comes off. So whenever you're trying to throw this away, you flip this over to keep it in place, and then you dump it out. We are making our cappuccino. And like before, we're scooping out the coffee grounds, then putting it into our filter, then flattening it out and putting it into our... It's a little bit tricky. The good thing about these platforms are that they're removable, so that if you have bigger cups, you can put them in easily. Before you make the coffee, you need to turn this knob to whichever coffee you're making. But in this case, we're making a cappuccino. And then after that, you need to rotate this so that it goes into the cup, because that's what shoots out our froth and milk. We're making a large cappuccino. So we press twice. Now that our coffee is done, we can put on our toppings. First, the whipped cream. Gotta shake it up first. And then put some on there. And then our caramel. Oh. Mix all of this to one big drinkable thing. Now we're going to make a large latte. Make sure before you make your latte to turn it to the latte part. Now you press this one twice to make a large latte. Now that our latte is done, we can put on our toppings. For watching this video, and if you liked it, please like, subscribe, share, and ring that notification bell.
Until next time, thank you for watching.
Bye.
Cheers. Oh, what is that? I need sugar. Sugar. No, sugar. Oh, espresso is bad. Oh my word, did you put a lot? Wow.
They can't even see it.
They can't see it, but you did put a lot, right? Did you put a lot? All right. Thank you guys for watching. And this is my syrup. Let's see. That's pretty good. Yeah, I like it. All right, bye guys. Thank you.